2022 Ford Edge redesign, release date, price. Following the existing renew for that 2021 calendar year edition, there is not any concern that this 2022 Ford Edge is not going to involve lots of novelties. The favorite middle-of-dimension crossover has been in existence for many years. The current edition means the next technology, which receives in the marketplace due to 2015. The corporation wished to maintain the edition refreshing with this very reasonable segment, so a pretty speedy renew is not going to look unusual in any way. We have now seen a lot of modifications. Obviously, nearly all were approximately graphic enhancements. However, the company new edition functions cheap deals of the majority of the latest technical capabilities, company new transmission in addition to a much more. The 2022 part will surely maintain the very same amount as well as potentially will not likely function to several adjustments. Foresee to discover it at the end of 2021. 2022 Ford Edge redesign. Exterior and interior design. The existing revise was predominant about artistic updates. It absolutely was a classic facelift, which incorporated changes for both stops of your 2022 Ford Edge. Undoubtedly, the top finish seasoned a lot more. The emblem new edition changes out of date a few club grille design with all the different, Explorer-influenced design. Also, there exists a new set of fronts lighting, which appear sharper now. By natural means, the fender seasoned even. It functions gentle increasing, company new oxygen consumptions, and also new fog lighting type. On the other side, it is possible to learn changes about the fender, tailgate, exhaust, and number of added spots. Undoubtedly, this restoration integrated new rim styles as well. Check another SUV like Ford Explorer. The seating is leather material curtained and, also, offering stimulating bolsters that can surely take care of your backbone in the best place. Furthermore, the modification manages integrated, and also it can undoubtedly give distant location within the gaming system, letting proper positionings connected with upright mug proprietors. Underneath the air conditioning manages, you can locate a Wi-Fi telephone charger as well as two universal serial bus plug-ins. The 8in touchscreen, together with the SYNC3 industrial process, will definitely make it possible for numerous tone of voice managed professional services, like the menu, handles, FM radio setups, and so on. The stereo system is 12-speaker systems Bando Engage in via Harman, well known for his or her skilled sound, video recording, and handle techniques. HD radio station plus Sirius XM are portions of the single features. Your back freight space makes use of 39.5 cubic toes of the area at the same time as it could be broadened roughly 74 cubic fort. Legroom is absolutely cozy. Front side company may have 42.6 along with folks about the again 40.6 ins for stretching. Clearance is similarly definitely extensive, each series is to get 40.2. 2022 Ford Edge engine. The merely disclosed Ford Edge provides basically introduced some changes from the engine top. Along with 2022, Ford Edge is sure to get right here with the very same products. Typically the 3.5-liter V6 has stopped being readily available as well as all of the types are run with a 2-liter inline-4 turbocharged EcoBoost generator. This product can produce 250 horsepower and, also 275 lb-ft of torque. 2022 Ford Edge release date and price. 2022 Ford Edge may come very first in the adhering to several years, sometimes on the LA Automobile Demonstrate or in the Detroit Automobile System in January 2021. Usually, do not predict changes in the amount both. The present edition goes into a range from $29,000 and, also $41,000, approximately.